So in the next lecture we'll study about the current division rule. Current division rule is used to calculate current only, okay, and current division rule is applicable only in parallel circuits. Two things you need to remember, like suppose this is the circuit. In this I am taking a voltage source and two resistors are connected in parallel, okay. This can be R1 and this can be R2, this can be R3, and this is the voltage V. Here the current I is flowing, and here the current I1 is flowing, and here the current I2 is flowing. So I1 according to the current division rule, in short current division rule is denoted by CDR, okay. According to this current division rule, I1 is equal to the total current here is I, right, multiplied by the resistance in the opposite resistance in which we need to calculate the current. Like suppose we need to calculate I1, opposite of I1 is R2, right, opposite resistance, opposite of I1 is R2, so we have to multiply it by that, divided by sum of resistor which are connected in parallel. Tell me which two resistors are connected in parallel. Tell me which two resistors are connected in parallel. Tell me. R1 and R2. So it would be I1 is equal to I into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay. Similarly, tell me the value for the I2. I2 is equal to how much? That is total current I multiplied by the opposite resistance. This time we need to calculate I2, so we have to take R1, okay, R1 divided by R1 plus R2, okay. Now see, I'm drawing a three kind of circuit. Like if there is a current source over here, then in that case we can calculate current, we can apply current division rule. If there is no resistor over here, then also we can calculate current division rule, we can apply current division rule. If there is a voltage source like this, then also we can apply current division rule. If the circuit is like this, then also we can apply current division rule, okay. If there are three resistance which are connected in parallel, then in those case we have to convert the third resistance into two resistance, then only we can apply CDR. So just remember, only in these kind of four circuit we can apply current division rule. Got it?